Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin on a freshly cleansed face because oils block active absorption. Cleanse and pat dry. Next, dispense 2-3 drops of Dr Derma Serum into your fingertips and distribute evenly across the palms. You apply to jawline and cheeks first, then move to forehead. Use gentle upward strokes to encourage lymphatic flow and absorption. Once done, allow the serum to settle for about 60 seconds before layering. This timing lets potent actives penetrate rather than being wiped away by the next product. Now you focus on targeted execution. Apply 1 drop to each problem zone, fine lines, dark spots, or dry patches, and tap lightly. This concentrates actives where you need them. Make sure to follow the thinner thicker layering rule. Let the serum absorb for 60 to 90 seconds, then apply moisturizer and finish with SPF in the morning. For the under-eye area, use your ring finger to tap gently. This reduces pressure and prevents product migration onto eyelids, improving safety and results. To finish, lock in the serum with moisturizer and in daytime, apply a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher. At night, choose a richer emollient. If you experience redness, stinging, or persistent irritation, stop using the serum for 48 hours and switch to soothing products. Then perform a patch test on the inner arm before trying again. Finally, store Dr Derma Serum in a cool, dark place away from temperatures above 25 degrees C. This preserves actives and extends effectiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.